To make the most of your investments on Robinhood, it is essential to understand how to reinvest dividends. Reinvesting dividends is a great way to grow your portfolio over time. And it can be done with just a few simple steps. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Dividends section. This is where you can view all the dividends you have received from your investments. Next, identify the stocks that pay dividends and have the dividend reinvestment option available. Not all stocks on Robinhood offer this feature, so make sure to check the individual stocks details page. Once you have identified the eligible stocks, go to the stocks details page and look for the dividend reinvestment option. This option is usually labeled as Reinvest Dividends or Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Click on this option to enable dividend reinvestment for that particular stock. After enabling dividend reinvestment, any future dividend payments from that stock will be automatically reinvested into additional shares of the same stock. This means that instead of receiving the dividend payment as cash, you will receive more shares of the stock, which can help your portfolio grow over time. It is also important to note that dividend reinvestment is not the same as a dividend payout. A dividend payout is when a company distributes a portion of its earnings to its shareholders in the form of cash or stock. Dividend reinvestment, on the other hand, is when you choose to reinvest the dividend payout back into the company's stock. In addition to individual stocks, some exchange-traded funds and index funds on Robinhood also offer dividend reinvestment. These funds typically track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, and distribute dividend payments to their shareholders. By reinvesting dividends from these funds, you can potentially increase your returns over the long term. To get the most out of dividend reinvestment on Robinhood, it is essential to have a solid understanding of your investment strategy and goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or conducting your own research before making any investment decisions. Additionally, always keep in mind that investing in the stock market involves risk, and there are no guarantees of returns. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can start reinvesting dividends on Robinhood and potentially grow your portfolio over time. Remember to always review and adjust your investment strategy as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals.